What is up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you the installation of these sequential LED strips on top of the headlights. Guys, ये Amazon, Flipkart हर जगह पे बहुत easily available है. मैंने Flipkart से order किया है and इसके बॉक्स के अंदर देखते क्या है. ये दो अल्कोहल वाइप्स है. इनको यूज़ करेंगे हेडलाइट्स के ऊपर साफ़ करने के लिए, इसको चिपकाने से पहले, ताकि इसका ग्लू अच्छे से चिपके. एंड ये दो LED स्ट्रिप्स के साथ दो कंट्रोल बॉक्सेस भी लगे हैं साथ में. एंड इनके ऊपर मार्क्ड है कि कौन सा स्ट्रिप लेफ़्ट के लिए है एंड कौन सा राइट के लिए. सो ध्यान रखना कि करेक्ट स्ट्रिप को करेक्ट साइड पे लगाएं, नहीं तो लाइट आपको उल्टी फ्लैश करते हुए दिखेगी जब आप इंडिकेटर ऑन करेंगे. सो गाइस, वायरिंग बहुत ही सिंपल है. एज रिटन ऑन द कंट्रोल बॉक्स, रेड इज़ फॉर पॉजिटिव, ब्लैक इज़ फॉर नेगेटिव एंड द येलो वायर इज़ फॉर द इंडिकेटर. एंड इसकी वायरिंग कैसे करनी है मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा इस वीडियो में. Remove the parking light right there. To hold it and twist it and just pull it out. So as you can see, this is the parking light. Just going to unplug it from here. There you go. This side is the black and that side is the red. So I'm just gonna put the red wire here and the black wire there. And now when I turn on the parking lights, these lights should light up too. And as you can see, this LED strip has lit up, so it's working. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking off some extra insulation so that we have some more wire to work with. Drying up this area. It has just rained recently, so this entire headlight is wet. So I'm going to start sticking it right from the edge over there. It's not very straight, so it's very difficult for the light strip to curve in this direction, I suppose. Okay, so now let's proceed with the wiring. I've got these wires here now. So what I'm trying to do here is just connect this in this socket here and plug in the parking light on top of it as well, so that we don't have to open up any connections or we don't have to, cut any wiring. There you can see both the wires are in place. Now we're going to put this parking lamp back on. And as you can see, this has been clipped in place as well. So let's test it out now. Fingers crossed. LED strip is on and our bulb is on too. So this is the indicator lamp right here. Just gonna rotate it towards the car and pull it out. Again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to unclip this and I'm going to connect the yellow wire on the positive of this. So I need to see, this is red, so this side is positive. So again I'm gonna put it through this socket like this, and we can connect the lamp back again. And that's clipped in place. Right indicator on. Yes, as you can see, the LED strip is also flashing and the indicator bulb is also flashing. And it's locked. So as you can see, the wiring for this was actually a piece of cake. We did not need to cut any wires, we did not need to use any insulation tape. Absolutely nothing is exposed, and it was a really easy connection. So guys, I finally completed the installation for the LED strip lights, and I'm going to show you how they look. So there you go, they're on right now, but they're barely visible during the daytime. I'm also going to put on the hazard lights and show you how they look. After a couple of hours, when it's dark, I'm gonna show you the night view, and I'll see you at night.